Hey, what's going on, y'all? Well, aside from my passion and love for doing YouTube videos and all kind of videos, video in general, I also walk a lot. Every morning I go walking 3 or 4 miles, and a lot of times I see people jumping out of the picture. You switching off so somebody else can take the picture, so somebody else can get in the picture. Well, I always step in and be like, "Hey, go ahead, get over there. I'll take the picture." But I can't, for you, what are the chances that you're going to run across me? So I have a service for you. Let me know if you're on vacation and you need a videographer or a photographer, and I got your back. How much is it going to cost? It can't be free. I got plenty of things to do. But I don't know how much it's going to cost, depending on how long I need to be there, what it all entails. But I can accommodate you for just about anything as long as I'm free. I got my GoPro for going under the water. I have the drone, and I have the DJI pocket camera, and I have an iPhone. So we pretty much can accommodate any, regular, normal social media video. I can easily document some memories for you.
Yeah.
Now, if you want editing, obviously this takes time and it costs more. And also, I got a lot of canned footage, so I can add to whatever we capture, and that's going to be, of course, a lot cheaper than if I was just to go out there with you and capture different types of images. But for instance, I got Umbrella Street and plenty of course, ocean views and some of the resort area, different parts of Puerto Plata. So I can add that to whatever package you're buying so that you have a nice, full package of memories. And can get a little creative with the editing as far as taking some shots of you and putting you in different types of backgrounds. So, this stuff is pretty new for me offering this service. So I'm kind of like playing it by ear, testing it out, seeing what people actually want to do, and we'll take it from there. So if you're interested, then just give me a call and let's talk about it. Thank you. Thank you very much.